Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Tuesday the 7th of October, and today was another good day in the markets. We only took one trade today and pulled 1 3/4 points out, so pretty good day all in all. There was a pretty good gap down. Market basically went sideways, a little bit lower, and then sideways some more. So basically pretty much nothing happened the entire day. We had one trade, and it happened over here. We watched this, we watched price come down, watched price come up. We did grab short here, and we took profit at the bottom of this candle here. Of course, price did come up a little bit and then come back down, chop around, go higher. Then it finally rolled over and chopped around some more and chopped around some more. So basically it was a pretty ugly day, and on days when you don't really have a lot of conviction, it's best just to stand aside. Sometimes doing absolutely nothing is the best trade you can take. If you look at everything as a trade, you wake up in the morning, you're trading, sleeping longer to actually getting up and being productive. If you don't see a setup, you don't make a trade, which actually you are making a trade, but you're making a decision not to trade. If you look at a trade as a decision, are you going to get in the market when there's not a setup, there's nothing to do? Or are you going to actually look at it as a business and try to be as financially sound as possible? That's basically what we did today. I didn't really see a lot setting up. I saw a couple things, but nothing great, nothing that stood out and looked like a surefire winner. Obviously when you're trading, nothing's guaranteed. If you make this trade, you're guaranteed to make money. But you can stack the odds in your favor. It's not a 50-50 crapshoot like some people out there actually act like. If you have a style that works, a methodology that you can rely on, you're able to stack probabilities in your favor. So instead of a 50-50 crapshoot, maybe you have an 84% chance. Speaking statistically over a period of time, you have an 84% chance instead of just a 50-50% chance. Or maybe your trade just totally sucks and you have a 30% chance of it working out. That's possible too. But that's what trading's all about, is looking at it objectively and being able to stack the odds in your favor. And the more odds you're able to stack in your favor, the better the trade is. But where a lot of people go wrong, a lot of new traders go wrong, pretty much because they read this in books. There's so much stuff out there. I'm trying not to say any profane words, but there's so much stuff out there that just is counterproductive to trading. It seems like a lot of people, there are a couple traders that know how to trade that write books, but the majority of the people out there with books and stuff like that, they don't trade for themselves. They have never made money trading, and they just feed you a line of crap. You wait for this to happen, that to happen. Well, by the time you wait for all this to happen, the trade is already over with. So making that trade is really a surefire way to lose money. And there's a lot of that out there. Being in the industry for long enough, you hear all these horror stories and things that never should happen, and you just feel bad because you're like, man, this person lost all his money following this idiot. They're following this person that doesn't know what they're talking about. They act like they do, and they're good at marketing, and you can't judge a book by its cover, basically. We hear that as kids, and when I was a little tiny kid, I didn't really know what that meant. But then you grow up and you kind of realize that what that means But the problem that we all face is as we grow up, we get narrower and narrower in the niche that we have created for ourselves. You know, whether you're a plumber, electrician, computer programmer, teacher, doctor, whatever it is, you know, when we're 5, when we're 10, we're all over the place. You know, we're running around, we're doing everything. You know, and we just have a lust for life. And I hate the word lust, but we just love life. That's a good way to put it. You know, we just love life, love everything it has to offer. And as we get older, we're pushed into a niche area. You know, what do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to go to college for? And you're just narrowing it down more and more and more. And that actually is counter to trading. You know, being stuck in a bubble. You know, only one way to look at things. You know, whenever the best advice ever, when you're entering a trade, look at it from each side. You know, would I get long here? Would I be short here? What do I like about it? And just sit there and look at it. Don't take any trades. Just look at it. You know, what do I like about this? That's the best advice. And that's the way to put odds in your favor. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.